guess what? Your girl finally reached 200 subscribers. Hold on, everybody calm down. Wait, you said you want my autograph. Do you even have a pen? What? So pretty much I have made it. Me and my squad of 200. Yes, I said 200. Don't do the most.
Oh, I came to snatch wig shotty. Now let's go.
I'm real hyped. Can I get a We are on our way to getting out these streets. Like, you don't know what this means to me. And I'm doing way too much. Like, you can tell I'm doing way too much because my Christmas decor is still up in the background. Like, if somebody disrespected me the other day, they don't even know they disrespected me. Somebody had posted, I don't know who needs to hear this, but take down your Christmas tree. First of all, mind your business. First of all, like, get into it, yeah. Get into it, yeah.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. We still out here in these streets. Like, what are you talking about?
Hey, shawty, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiana, and if you're new here, hey, boo. Wherever you are, I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're in a good mood. I got my gushy stuff. Before we go ahead and get into this video, see, like okay. Before we go ahead and get into today's video, if you enjoy my vibes, if you enjoy my energy, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please also don't forget to leave me a like and a comment. I would greatly appreciate those as well. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into today's video because I am so ridiculously hyped. I believe that I reached 200. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Don't do the most. Ew, okay. But I will put it on the screen when I reach 200 subscribers. Like, ew. It's like crazy. Like, these are like the first like group of people to like really believe in me, and like, ew, like, am I giving a speech? Like, I want to thank the Academy, like. So the first 200 subscribers that I have on YouTube includes my family, my friends, and then like other random people like that I don't know. And it's just like, ew, like, you like me? Little old me trying to get out these streets? Like, are you serious? And I know you're probably like, girl, like, it's only 200 people. Like, to you, like, mind your business. To you, it's only 200 people. But to me, it means something because of where I'm trying to go in my life. And I know I joke around and I say I'm trying to get out these streets, but I'm not playing like I'm not in these streets, but I'm in these streets. Like, I'm like out here fighting for my life. Like, I'm trying to, I'm fine. Like, don't do the most, but you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just trying to make it. Like, for the last time, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, who has liked my videos, who has commented on my videos. Currently, right now, here in this moment, I'm at 235 subscribers. My goal at the end of this year is to be at 1,000 subscribers. Like, I can't even. Thank you to everyone for the last time. Like, thank you. So now that I got that out the way, honey, I am thirsty. For today's video, we are going to be doing something simple. We're going to be baking cookies, but that's not all. I am going to be making, don't do the most. I am going to be making some Kool-Aid. Now, I know what you're thinking, girl. Here's the thing. I have not had Kool-Aid in multiple years. Like, I'm talking a thick daddy plethora of years. I remember very distinctly when I was younger, I would be like, oh, I can't wait till I get big because I'm gonna make the Kool-Aid and I'm gonna drink all the Kool-Aid and it's gonna be all for myself. Like, I had big dreams when I was little. And keeping all the Kool-Aid and the eggnog to myself as an adult was on the list. But surprise, surprise, I got older and older and older and I never bought any Kool-Aid supplies. Like, Kool-Aid supplies? What? First of all, I just disrespected Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid supplies? But I have not had a drop of Kool-Aid in like a plethora of years. So yeah, today we are gonna be making us a snickety snack. And on the snickety snack list is cookies and Kool-Aid. So this is a 200 subscriber special. I hope that's all right because this is all I have planned. Thank you for 200. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Kool-Aids on my cabinet. Picture ladle is clean. Measuring cup. Move. Clean. I need a baking sheet, or do I want to use foil? Let's use foil, cause who got time to be washing dishes? Not me. Okay, so I washed everything. Yes, I still have my fall dish towel out. First things first, we are going to start with the cookies. I'm so thirsty, so I'm actually motivated to do this. I'm gonna be using foil because I don't want to have to wash my pan later. Okay, first thing first. It's to preheat the oven. Okay, so I have my foil. Don't do the mouse. So these are the kind that we are going to be baking with today. And it says it makes 12 big cookies. Okay, look at these. Don't they look so cute? I'm only going to make a few. I don't want to make all 12. So I'm going to make 6. Because if I make them all, I'm going to eat them all. And I don't need to eat them all because you can't really see. But I'm so sorry. There you go. I'm only going to make 6. Baking cookies in the kitchen. I almost forgot. How you gonna drink Kool-Aid with no cup? This is the cup we're gonna be using today. I love cups. I love tumblers. Isn't she cute? I got this from Walmart, if anyone cares. It's so sparkly and pretty, and it's ombre. I'm so thirsty. I'm so thirsty. You already know. I'm waiting for the oven. Come on, let's go. I'm so thirsty. Oh, oven mitt, fall. Okay, first of all, okay. I'm gonna do 12 minutes. Now, let's get down to business. To the feet, the hands. I'm so excited. Okay, first things first. I don't want to use tap water because I don't like my tap water. So I'm gonna just be using this. Oh, I'm so thirsty. That's what I need to be drinking is water. I forgot, I gotta remember. Okay, you gotta leave a little bit of room. Should I pour some out? Should I, wait a minute. Oh my gosh, did I forget how to make Kool-Aid? Don't do the most. Hold on. Wait, you leave, okay. Oh, you have to leave room for the sugar. Okay, wait. Oh no, okay. Am I dehydrated? Am I on the brink of death? What is going on? Okay. Ew, what kind of flavors? What kind of flavor do I want? Am I in charge? Ew, this is bringing back memories. So these are the flavors of Kool-Aid that we are working with. I'm so excited. Did you guys mix your Kool-Aid flavors or was that just us? I'm pretty sure everyone mixed their Kool-Aid flavors, right? Okay. I'm going to do... Ew! I'm gonna do cherry and blue raspberry. Oh my gosh! I know you're probably like, you are so hyped for what reason? Because I haven't had Kool-Aid in so long and I'm so thirsty. So everyone who was rejected, to the bed. Remember, you shake. Memories. Okay, so you shake them up. Oh wow. Okay. I know I'm doing the most, but I really haven't had Kool-Aid for years. After we've dumped it all in there, we fill these up with water and then put that in there as well. So I'm gonna go do that. Let's get down to business. My cookies are done. This smells so good. Okay, so now that I've got that in there, I'm gonna take the sugar. And from what I remember, for 1 pack of Kool-Aid, you use 1 cup of sugar. Yes, and for 2 packs of Kool-Aid, use 2 packs of sugar. 2 packs, 2 cups of sugar. Honey, come on. We got things to do. Wow, you really out here taking your time. I'm not gonna lie, this does look very unsettling. Like, because this is a lot of sugar. But who about to have unseasoned Kool-Aid? Not me. Ew, so you pour it in. Give it a little tap. And we're about to stir her up. Oh, I forgot. You have to put the, okay, this is how we did it too. Just in case it toppled over. It always sounded like a horse galloping to me. Oh my gosh, this is bringing back so many random memories. Listen. Doesn't that sound like a horse galloping? Oh my gosh, I just made Kool-Aid. It smells so good. It smells, I'm so sorry. Please don't leave. I'm so sorry. There's so many memories right now. I'm the only one that's gonna be drinking this. Yo. Okay. Okay. That is really good. And I just made Kool-Aid. Oh my gosh. I was so thirsty and that is so blessed. Okay, so we have a clean plate. And we're gonna plate these cookies. Look. Ooh, I almost lost it all. Him down.
He needs some milk.
They smell so good. So this one decided to do the most. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eat it. Mmm. Do and do and do. Loving you is easy cause you're beautiful. All I wanna do. Something about loving you. La 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 la. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. La 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 la. Do and do and do do. One day you gonna blink and I'm gonna be signed. We're gonna get the rest of these plated and then I can take my thumbnail and then I'm gonna let you go. Come on, honey. Ooh, things to do. You doing way too much. You're gonna get eaten either way. Like, whole or pulled apart, it doesn't matter. So you might as well come on now. These are for you. Thank you very much. I was gonna decorate the cookies and put like icing on it and everything, but I'm a little tired. Sorry I've been going too, by the way. I didn't mean to go away for so long. I have really good goals this year for my channel and for my personal life. This year, I do want to reach 1,000 subscribers. So that is all that I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As usual, I greatly, greatly appreciate it. Whoever you are, wherever you are, I hope you have a great day, night, whenever it is that you're watching this. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye. I really said la, 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 la. Ra-ta-ta-ta-ta. Like, am I going to grow up now or later? Let me know.